Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to make a tutorial, line dance tutorial. It is called La Fête, a song from Amir. It is choreographed by me, Herman Baso, Indonesia, November 2020. And this is a high beginner or improver level line dance. There are 32 counts, 2 wall, 2 tags. The first 8 count tags after wall 3 and the second 4 count tags after wall 7. Okay, let's start with the first section. Okay, first section. Side touch, close, hit side, cross behind right, side, cross over, scissor turn, lock shuffle forward. Section 2, samba whisk, and then walk, 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 before turn, step. Section 3, Monterey turn, for the field, cross, hold, side cross, and then traveling full count, full traveling full count. Okay, now let's read with a count. Section 1. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and section 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, now let's do it in 2 walls. Wall number 1. Seven, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wall number 2. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. As I said before, in this line dance there are 2 texts. The first text is 8 counts after wall 3. Okay. The step is like this. Samba whisk. And then rock forward, recover close. Rock forward, recover close. Okay. With a count. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay. And then, okay, in the front. Okay, let's see. Like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, and then the second step is 4 count after wall 7. Okay. It is samba with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. That's all for the tutorial video of line dance called the fête. Hopefully you enjoy the tutorial.